This next activity is going to look at sorting data on a spreadsheet, and basically data can be sorted in a few different ways using the sort and filter tool. Now we're going to start off first by looking at a traditional A to Z type of sort. So all you have to do there is highlight the rows that you wish to sort. You can just highlight the cells as well, okay? But if you highlight the whole row, it makes sure that each row actually gets sorted based on one of the criterias, okay? But you can also do it by just sorting the cells as well, okay? I'm going to go here and just click on A to Z, okay? And you can see I've got three options here: sort A to Z, sort Z to A, and a custom sort. So we'll do the sort A to Z first. Now, and you can see it has sorted the first column, column A to Z, but as you can see, it's just done student 1 and then it's done student 10, 11, 12. It hasn't really put them in an order that I'd want for this style of actual spreadsheet. Okay, what it's done is put student, and then because 1 becomes before 2, okay, it's done everything with a 1 at the front and then done the following number. Okay, so this wasn't the best type of sort to do for this type of spreadsheet here. A more meaningful type of sort that should be done here is maybe basing a sort on the actual marks themselves. We might want to sort the marks highest to lowest on this actual spreadsheet. So this time I'll just highlight the actual cells, and I'm actually also going to highlight the labels at the top as well. The reason that is that when I actually do a filter, I can filter specifically by the headings that have been given there that are included in my selection. So I'm going to click on sort and filter again, and I'm going to do a custom sort. This window here comes up, and I'm not going to sort by student, I'm going to sort by mark, okay? And it will be based on values, okay? And we're going to base it on the values largest to smallest. And I'm going to go okay. As you can see here now, it has sorted all the students by their mark. And because I had the whole rows highlighted, okay, it's actually moved the student names to match their marks and their grades. Okay, so I hope this has given you a bit of a good outline on how an actual sort and filter works.